Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about new Flame Bear Pet and Grow a Garden Summer Camp Event Update Part 4. Okay, let's get into it guys. There is a new item here. When you go to the crafting bench, you will see Flame Bear, this one. And these are what you need to prepare to make the flame bear. You need campfire egg, one polar bear, and also 15 million shekels. And for the polar bear, you can go to the egg shop and then buy the legendary egg. From the legendary egg, you will have 2% chance to get the polar bear. And for the campfire egg, just do crafting here, and these are what you need. After you have all the items or the ingredients, you can immediately craft it. And based on the information that I get, the flame bear can shoot a fireball at another pet and restore hunger and granting XP. Okay, basically it can restore your pet's hunger. So I think it's not that really worth to craft, but the pet is, I think is beautiful. It's unique. So if you have a lot of shekels and also have the items, you can try to craft this flame bear. Thank you guys, and that's all about the flame bear in Grow a Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.